Welcome back to Introduction to Cinema 4D. In this episode, we're going to explore polygon modeling techniques. Polygon modeling allows you to create complex 3D objects by manipulating individual polygons. Let's dive right in. To start polygon modeling, we'll need an object to work with. Let's create a basic cube by selecting the Cube primitive from the Create menu. Click and drag in the viewport to define the size of the cube. Once you have your cube, let's switch to the polygon mode by clicking on the polygon button in the toolbar. In polygon mode, we can select and manipulate individual polygons of the object. To select a polygon, simply click on it in the viewport. You can also select multiple polygons by holding down the Shift key and clicking on additional polygons. With the polygons selected, we can now perform various operations on them. Let's start with the Extrude tool, represented by the icon of an arrow pointing outward. Select the Extrude tool from the toolbar, and you'll notice that the selected polygons now have handles. Click and drag on these handles to extrude the polygons, creating new geometry. You can extrude in different directions by dragging the handles along the desired axis. Play around with the extrusion settings in the Attributes Manager to control the depth and other parameters. Another useful tool for polygon modeling is the Bevel tool. It allows you to round off the edges of selected polygons, giving your object a more organic and polished look. Select the Bevel tool from the toolbar, and you'll see handles appear along the edges of the selected polygons. Click and drag on these handles to adjust the bevel, creating a smooth transition between the faces. Remember, you can always fine-tune the bevel settings in the Attributes Manager to achieve the desired effect. Additionally, Cinema 4D provides tools like Inset, Extrude Inner, Bridge, and more, each serving a specific purpose in polygon modeling. Take some time to explore these tools and experiment with different techniques. As you gain more experience, you'll discover advanced polygon modeling techniques such as subdivision surface, which allows you to create smoother and more detailed surfaces by subdividing polygons. It's important to note that polygon modeling can be a complex process, and it requires practice to master. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and experiment with different approaches to achieve the desired results. So, to recap, polygon modeling in Cinema 4D allows you to create complex 3D objects by manipulating individual polygons. You can use tools like Extrude, Bevel, Inset, and more to shape and refine your models. In the next episode, we'll explore material creation and texturing, where we'll learn how to add colors, textures, and materials to our 3D objects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Introduction to Cinema 4D.